In this video, you'll learn how to program plate and titration-related parameters for the Thermo Scientific Multidrop Pico 8 SF digital dispenser using Thermo Scientific Multidrop Pico IT software. In another video, we reviewed creating a protocol and adding parameters for two fluids to be dispensed. This time, we'll look at how to edit the plate parameters. Start the Multidrop Pico IT software on your computer. When the plate information view comes up, click the pen icon, edit the plate name, and then select the plate type from the list according to your study. The instrument uses a laser to automatically detect the plate height when the plate is loaded into the plate carrier in the run procedure. The additional volume is the volume that is already available in the wells of the plate prior to dispensing the fluids. If you're dispensing DMSO fluid, you can also edit the DMSO percent limit according to your study. Multidrop Pico IT software automatically uses additional volume and DMSO limit information in downstream steps. For example, when you're editing for dispensing a titration of DMSO fluid. You can also define plate shaking parameters. When you're ready, click Apply and then Close. When you return to the plate information screen, you'll see your additional volume, DMSO limit, and shaking and dispensing settings. Multidrop Pico IT software includes various application wizards for easy protocol setup. Choose from Set Value, Titration, Targeted Titration, Synergy, Quick Plate, Enzyme Profile, and PCR. It also includes Normalize and Randomize controls to support greater precision and accuracy. Now that your plate is set up, you can edit the titration parameters using the titration wizard. First, select the wells where the fluid to be dispensed will be titrated. Then, click the titration wizard. In our video about creating a protocol and adding parameters for two fluids, we made adjustments to dispense by volume. In this case, we'll select the highest and lowest volumes of titration. You can edit the parameters according to your study by setting the volume, distribution method, and titration pattern. You'll find additional information at the bottom of this window. If the fluid parameters edited previously have been set to dispense by concentration, the titration parameters are automatically applied to adjust concentration-related parameters. When you're ready, click Apply. Then, select the next set of wells for the second fluid to be titrated and edit the parameters in the same way as the first fluid. Click Apply and Close when you're ready. You'll see that the range of color tones simulates the changing titration volumes of the fluid. When you hover the mouse over a well, it shows the details of the selected well. Now it's time to save your protocol. Simply go to the File menu and select Save. Thanks for watching. Visit thermofisher.com/digital dispenser to learn more.